No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you've not seen already on the sign there, I am at Donington Park Raceway. Today is RS Owners Club National Day and I'm sitting on the exit filming all the Fords leaving. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you soon guys. Nice Mark 3 RS here leaving. RS Gap on the number plate there. Nice clean Eco Sport. This little cabriolet coming down here, look. Nice, isn't it? Nice little pop there. Mark 1 RS behind it. ST line. Look at this just pulling in. NYPD. Sounds nice. Got a Puma with a very bright Mark 8, making loads of noise. Oh, he's going to launch it. Ford Racing Puma. Rarity now, these are. That's Bow Orange. Nice little thumbs up there, mate. Thank you. Mark 3 RS. Nice grey colour. Nice little convoy coming down now, led by a Golf 4. Look out for a Cosworth. Followed by a smoky Mark 1 RS. Nice Focus there with RS wing on it. Oh, bit of puff of smoke there. Nice Mark 3 RS. Mark 4 ST in the Fury Orange. Little pop there. Mark 3 ST in red. It's nice. Goes well as well. Nice big wing on that one. Nice little convoy coming down now. I can see a Mondeo with some bonnet vents on it. This XR2i in lovely red. Another Focus with a big spoiler on it. Ooh, that sounds nice. Mark 6 Fiesta. Some nice bucket seats in there, matching blue seat belts. Cosy? No, it's an XR. XR4i. Look at that. Followed by a beautiful Cosworth. Focus RS, owned by Dom by the looks of it. We've got another RS and a Mark 3 RS. Sapphire, Cosy, and we've got the Cabby Crew. I think he heard me. That was clean. It's a nice Transit. Motion R on the side. Nice and bright, that one. Oh yes, look at this. Beautiful. It's a nice looking modified RS. Nice little pick from the owner. Oh yeah. It's nice. Yeah. Mexico. MSRT Transit. Smart. Some bright green RS's. Gas. And a white one here, look. Oh yeah. ST500, very clean. What do we have here then? Porsche. It's nice and bright. Yeah boy. An orange Mark 3 RS. That's a Heritage Edition. That's rare. Mark 7 ST, followed by an RS. West Sussex he had on his window. Nice Mark 3 RS. Making lovely noises. Oh yeah. A few pops in there as well for a bit of goodness. Some drift cars coming in here, look. Ready for Tuna Fest tomorrow. Ooh, Mark 3 Mondeo Estate. Another cabbie. Followed by an XR2. Both very clean examples. Mark 1 RS. Oh yeah, that one's got some power. Doing squats on the way out. Another cosy lot. Sunroof. It's nice.